Mwakwa badiba tech product of the day. And the tech product and perception no any. Finally, Samsung for release omo next line of tablet. I'll bet me order necessary. More release the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Every year be no for some time now. I no release 3 different tablets. I tie the base model, no money the plus, no money the ultra. But this year, we release only the plus and the ultra no kwa. And at the buy. That means this year, so you will be a need tablets. So I will pay 11 inches there na and you don't sabeka. Ketue wom kran start free 12.4 inches. I the Tab S10 Plus and almost 14.6 inches. And only the Tab S10 Ultra no. Now sad devices in no a MediaTek 4 chipset in them, which is the Dimensity 9300 Plus. Now last year na a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and them. Now Samsung for said this year chipset in them no. See ama CPU now faster by 18%. Samsung ama GPU no so are faster by 28%. So offer the Tab S10 Plus na ne RAM no 12 gig, Samsung internal storage na 256 gig. Now bet me add memory card so e dey ashim. But almost our 512 gig version so no bet me ato no so. But so call the ultra model na no there the RAM no 16 gig and internal storage na 1 terabyte and no ye ho hwe enye. Yes, and no any 12 gig version and I say any 512 internal storage version and no there RAM is 16 gig and an internal storage in 1 terabyte a demo and no and say otoa onsa a bit to me aka. Now the battery side and so the Tab S10 Plus no on the battery near 10,090 milliampere hour. Samsung the Tab S10 Ultra no so 11,1200 milliamp per hour. Na nyina to me charge at 45 watt. If you neko nyina obetumi order na ne ton ankasa be start from October 3rd. Now over price now the Tab S10 Plus no price ne start $3,000, which is a 12 gig 256 version. Na say open 12 gig 512 version na say I will say utua ebika ho. Samsung na the Tab S10 Ultra no so no start free $1,200. $1,200. And to say we here be a call Samsung for online shop. And now say any online shop or moton sa Samsung products are over to me at order be. Now a 50 October 3rd corner. The audience will send you. What do you say? I was up that you, mammy who comments or the comment section. Now go punch say and I'll share and say she be another time. Bye bye.